Okay, the sum of the squares of all the roots of the equation. The previous one is product of rational roots. This is sum of the squares of all the roots. So modulus model. See the equation. X square plus mod 2x minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0 means here always see the value which is in the modulus. 2x minus 3 is there. So take 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then you get x is equal to 3 by 2. So then mod 2x minus 3 should be splitted. X is more than or equal to 3 by 2, first one. When x is more than 3 by 2, this will be positive, 2x minus 3 as it is. When x is less than 3 by 2, it will be minus of 2x minus 3, minus of 2x minus 3, or you can write it as 3 minus 2x. So first we have to take the case 1. Case 1 is, case 1, be careful, x is more than or equal to 3 by 2. This is the case. So for that, x square plus, when x is more than 3 by 2, then mod 2x minus 3 must be written as 2x minus 3 as it is. Minus 4 is equal to 0. It is x square plus 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into minus 7 minus 28 by 2a. It is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 32. 32 means you can write it as 20 minus of minus plus 28 plus 4, 32. 32 can be written as 16 2's. The root 16 is equal to 4. So you can write it as 4 root 2 by 2. So after taking 2 common and cancellation, we get minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 2. Now minus 1 minus 2 root 2 is negative, but x is more than 3 by 2. Next, that is neglected. Here we are taking only, we are consider only minus 1 plus 2 root 2. 2 root 2 means root 8. Root 8 means 2 point something. It is more than 2. Minus 1 plus 2.5 something means it is 1.5, more than 1.5. So more than 1.5 only we require. So this value is taken, whereas minus 1 minus 2 root 2 is rejected as it doesn't satisfy this case 1 condition. That is important thing, dear children, you have to remind. Why I am considering only one value. Next, case 2. Case 2 is x is less than 3 by 2, means less than 1.5. So x is less than means then the given equation becomes x square plus mod 2x minus 3 becomes minus of 2x minus 3. That is 3 minus 2x minus 4 as it is. Then x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 3 minus 4. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into minus 1. So minus 4 by 2a. Now this is 2 plus or minus root over 8 means 2 root 2 by 2. Then 1 plus or minus root 2. 1 plus 1.4, 2.4, more than this one, neglected. 1 minus 1.4, 0.4, it is less than 3 by 2, so accepted. So here consider 1 minus root 2. Okay, so you are considering these two. Now 2 root 2 means root 8 minus 1 whole square. This is sum of the squares of all the roots. So 2 root 2 minus 1 whole square, and then 1 minus root 2 whole square or root 2 minus 1 whole square, both are same. So 8 plus 1 minus 2 root 8 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 root 2. Now 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 minus 2, sorry. So 8 plus 1 9, 10, 12. Now this is 2 root 2 means minus 4 root 2 minus 2 root 2, 6 root 2. Okay, now here you can take 6 common, then you get 2 minus root 2. So 6 into 2 minus root 2, that is option B is correct.